Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a chat folder in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on settings. Here we have to scroll down and tap on chat folders under the settings section here, like this. And then we can just tap on create new folder. Here we can name the folder. Here we can add the chats that we want to include in this folder. Here we can add the chats that we want to exclude from the folder. And then we can share the folder that we created with a link. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.